Today it's Monday, December 23rd, 2024, and this is the M57 from the CLS 63. On Saturday afternoon, I receive the washers, the correct size, thickness washers for this application. Studs, nuts, washers. What's my plan? Simply uncovering the engine, proceed remove the stock head bolts one at a time. I have torqued down at 40 Newton meters, starting the first stage, all the studs 40 Newton meters, and then work my way up to the final torque specs. Let me get some tools out, pair of scissors to open it, and finally closing it after all this time. Studs in place, torque down, looking beautiful. Lovely. Now, assembly grease. I'm going to get the parts, the remaining parts from there, camshafts, bolts and all these things. Degreasing the surface here, cleaning again with a brake cleaner. It's already clean. I'm gonna pass it once again, just for a good measurement. Assembly grease, camshafts, timing, covers and so on. You're gonna see in a second. Alright, where am I now? I had to stop, I had to go outside, and now I came back again inside. Forget that, these are the old check valves that I put the new ones. I have already put the tensioners, I have already put the covers, I have put the camshafts, I have already set up the timing. The centrifugal here for the oil separator, the vacuum pump from here. The cap here, I have torqued down the cam adjusters. I'm continuing dressing the engine, but I think I mentioned the last part of this video. Oil feed for the turbocharger. I'm not gonna put it the coolant lines and the oil return because I have to remove again the turbos. I need to give the engine to the guys outside, merge, put the transmission, torque down the damper pulley, put it in the car, make some marks what needs to be done, and then remove it again and deal with the turbos. There is gonna be one small difference on this engine than the others. I have the new parts done over there, the remaining couple of bolts over there. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be dressed up, and then I'm giving to the guys at the end. That's it for now with the M57. It's not final by any means, even the wiring harness. I mean, take a look, the wiring harness. You're gonna tell me why you install it. It needs to be replaced. Leave it for now there because need to do some other jobs, some other stuff. For now, it's gonna stay like that. It's okay. We can continue, like I said, remove it from the engine stand, torquing down the flex plate bolts, torque down the damper pulley, merging with the transmission, and then deal with the turbochargers. And when I finish with that, then I'm gonna see, because maybe the owner, he doesn't want to change the wiring harness. So it's totally fine with me. Good luck to run. Yeah, it's electrical, right? And I have the coolant lines and all these things, but like I said, I need to remove the turbos and put them back again when it comes to time. That's it, small update. Next video is gonna be the first start probably. We're gonna see. We're gonna find out. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Happy New Year. No, I'm gonna be here next week. Yeah. Thank you.